A friend of mine recently noticed a young homeless couple who had set up their tent in her neighborhood park, and she asked me what she could do to support them. Today, I'm going to talk a bit about how you can help someone who's homeless in a very practical way. But I'm going to start off by saying that you don't need to feel obligated to help with anything. Just continue to be kind and generous in your life in whatever ways you choose. I'm Dr. Jill, and I've provided care for people who are homeless for the past 15 years. I quickly learned that what I thought people needed most was often not accurate. We are all experts in our own lives, and the same holds true for people who are homeless. They know best what they need at any given time. So if we really want to help someone, we need to ask. One time I was heading into a grocery store and saw a man panhandling outside. I didn't have any cash on me and asked him if I could get him something from the store instead. After thinking for a moment, he said, "How about a Coke and some barbecue chips?" Inside, I was thinking, geez, I was wanting to buy you real food, and this is what you want instead. But in the chip aisle, I thought about how his request actually sounded pretty close to my own go-to junk food for coping. I reminded myself that generosity should be unconditional. So when wanting to be most helpful for someone, put aside any of your own ideas and just ask. Ask those people living in the park what they need. Try introducing yourself to your neighbors, maybe with some fresh baking in hand. I often start by saying, "Hello, friends. I'm so sorry you're here. This must be hard." And then ask if there's something they specifically need that I could help with. "I'm heading to Walmart later. Can I grab you something?" I also totally understand that some people don't feel comfortable approaching strangers. So if asking doesn't work for you and you want to make some pre-filled gift bags to hand out now and then, here are some items that are usually appreciated. My patients often say they need more protein, so soft protein bars can be good. So can peanut butter or cans of tuna, for example. Being on methadone tends to make people crave sweets, so throw in a bag of gummies, because even if someone isn't on methadone, a bag of candy is nice. People's teeth are often so poor and cause so much pain that soft food is a better bet than food that's hard and crunchy. Bottles of water and gift cards for local grocery stores are always appreciated. A gift card for a coffee shop gives someone not just a hot drink, but the use of a washroom and a place to stay indoors for a bit too. Packs of wet wipes can help people feel clean when they have little access to hygiene. Sanitary supplies like tampons, pads, toilet paper, hygiene supplies like toothpaste, toothbrushes, deodorant. Where I live in Canada, mitts and warm hats, socks, and tarps can be helpful. But remember that people need more than just the very basics. Sometimes what people need are things that are unexpected, and sometimes we might find our own judgment kicking in. Let your generosity be unconditional. Maybe someone needs food for their pet, a windproof lighter, lipstick, or maybe a Coke and some barbecue chips. Stay tuned for Being Generous Part 2, coming soon.